So gang, the next step of Lucy's Welsh adventure, booked a cosy little cabin for the night. Check this out. So, 1612, I believe. I mean, this is especially fitting as we're talking about the living off grid. This is like an old shipping container. It's pretty cool. Open the door. Cozy little bed. Nice little kitchen area. Everything you might possibly need. Nice bathroom. But the bit I'm most excited about, hot tub outside. Cannot wait. I don't think I'll be sitting out there this evening, but oh my goodness, look at that. That is so excited. I've got to get this lit. Okay guys, that took some getting going in this crazy wind, but we've finally got a bit of a fire going. Exciting times, rock and roll. I did use a few matches to get that going. But hey, it's now burning. So apparently it takes a while to warm up. I might just go and collect some more logs so that we can keep the fire going. And that's going to be warmed up and I'm going to have a lovely little soak. It's going to be awesome with a little glass of wine. Rock and roll. Well, while the hot tub's heating up, I'm going to have a hot drink, just relax for a bit. Yeah, very nice, very peaceful. So, you know, kind of treat myself this evening. Youth hostel last night, cozy cabin today. But yeah, it's pretty cool, aren't they? Pretty cool. This is like a shipping container. Or was. No cafetiere in here, which bothers me because I like a nice coffee. Well, I do have instant coffee, but I bought some ground coffee with me, so we're going to have a coffee, but it's going to be cowboy coffee. It's definitely super relaxed in here, and something I'm loving is there's a weather warning for rain today, so I got absolutely soaked on today's ride. I look really tired and a bit scruffy, but hey. You can hear the rain in here and it's actually amazing, so I'm really enjoying that, so that's really good for us. First thing I did when I got here was kind of like open the blinds, because I want to feel like I'm out there. I want to feel like I'm as close to that as possible, so that's pretty cool. Very nice hearing the sound of rain, and hopefully it'll be raining when I'm in the hot tub later, so yes. Okay, so I worked out how to put the cozy lighting on, so we've just got the lamp on and then the outside lights, so it's like really cozy in here. Absolutely love it. So I'm going to go and see if the hot tub's ready. I think it might be ready, or it might just need a little bit longer, we'll see. So I'll go check that out. It is absolutely pouring outside, which means I am going to get wet when I go out there, but I kind of quite like the idea of being in the hot tub when it's pouring, so that's quite fun. I'm quite excited. Let's go have a look. Oh man, just getting that feel, it's quite nice. I probably want it to be a little bit hotter. I might just give it a bit of a stir, maybe put some more logs in there, but it's still going. It takes quite a while to heat up. Let's see. Nicely warm, but probably want a bit warmer, so another log going in. Honestly, is it a trip for Lucy unless it's absolutely like mental weather? I feel like I thrive on just being away in the worst conditions, so next time I'm booking a holiday to Barbados or something, you know. But yeah, it's quite cool. Quite nice now it's dark. And the lights. I'll tell you what guys, you know, if you don't have anyone to go on holiday with, you're on your own, just book somewhere nice, just go for it, just do it anyway. That's what I do. It really is super cozy. I love it. I need a tiny home guys. This is my calling. I need a little home, container home, or live on the land or something. But yeah, just saying, like, you know, if you are somebody who you're on your own and you want to do stuff, you don't have anyone to do it with, and I do have friends that would come and join. I'm a bit too spontaneous to plan it with those with my friends who would join. Just do it. Just like, if you want to do stuff, just go solo, just do it anyway. Don't let stuff stop you, just go for it. And yeah, I guess when I'm thinking of some of my bigger plans, I should take some of my own advice. Like, I have big adventures dreamed up in my head that I would love to do. It's just getting around to doing them. So yeah, I'd love to just take a year and go cycle, you know. I would absolutely love to do that. There's always a reason why you don't do it, isn't there? But maybe you just gotta go for it. So, you know, yeah, we'll see. Right, I'm enjoying my coffee, got my lamp, got my Kindle, still waiting for the hot tub, excited for that. Yeah, life is good. It's amazing out here. It's so quiet. The storm has stopped now, and all I can hear is running water somewhere and the wind and the trees, and I can just see, I think there's a city ahead of me that could be Swansea, I'm not quite sure, and then just night sky, and it's absolutely beautiful. So I feel very lucky to be here. It's so quiet. Better with the music off, actually. It's nice to have the music on and stuff, but yeah, so this is a different type of bikepacking trip, isn't it? It's not my usual. All is well. I am very happy. Okay, so the temptation of another fire was too much, so we're giving this a go now. Guys, I think I would get used to this glamping business. It's really cozy, it's really lovely. Back to basics kind of thing. Love it. Something nice about fire, isn't there? I didn't actually think I'd get a chance to sit out here. I thought it would be too wet and stormy, but by fire pit, I'm getting a chance. That's lovely. More outdoor time, please. So I was just saying about how I want to do a bikepacking glamping trip now. It's on the cards with some pals. So cool. So glad I stayed here. Better than tenting it. Relaxing, just, you know, enjoying it. Treating myself. Lucy style. Well, everybody, the end of a delightful little stay at this lovely little glamping pod. So yeah, I had an absolutely lovely time. Packed up now, got my backpack on, and I'm ready to head home now. I was thinking about doing some hiking, but the weather's pretty bad, so I'm going to head home. I'm going to spend the rest of the week at home. So had an absolutely delightful couple of days in the Brecon Beacons. Despite the weather, still managed to get out and do some interesting, cool stuff, and it's given me ideas of other things I could do. So I'm thinking maybe another little glamping bikepacking trip could be on the cards. Bring a few friends along, that could be really good fun. Absolutely love the wood burning hot tub, that was amazing. So yeah, treated myself. A bit different for me, not wild camping, staying in luxury. Right, so I'm going to get myself home. The weather is horrendous for the next few days, so I'm just going to enjoy a few days at home for the rest of my week off. living with no alarms and all that sort of stuff, and maybe look into vans, and yeah, always lots of ideas bubbling, you know. But hey, pretty good. Let's get away while there's a break in the rain. Thanks for watching everyone, and see you next time.